Welcome to the Big Burrito. This is the new Aqua Shift Xbox Series X controller. It looks pretty gangsta to me. Surreal shimmer, share buttons of course, the new wireless Bluetooth, and a textured grip. This reminds me of an ocean or one of those nice metallic car paints that you use in GTA all the time. So the sticker here has this nice pull tab. It's a high quality sticker, so you can just go ahead and peel the entire thing off. It doesn't leave any gunk or residue on the box. My favorite kind of stickers. There we go, nice and smooth. So lifting this up. Whoa! Damn! This is pretty metallic. There's a lot of dust and dirt on it. It could be dust or dirt from the actual cardboard box that they package the controller in. Okay, so first impressions, yeah, this is underwater mermaid scales. The shininess of the mermaid's tail. It's pretty crazy. It is not as purpley metallic as I thought it was gonna be. When the light shines on a certain angle, I thought it was gonna get really purple. You could tell it does get a bit more purple, but it really gets brighter when the light glows on the right spot. So it's pretty wicked looking. It's like a really souped up street racer. Then here are the triggers. And I have to say, this grip is probably my favorite part of the controller. It's like a watery, soapish blue, and it has this nice rubber grip that will get ugly and wear over time. There's a nice texture on the actual plastic back. Here's the inputs at the bottom. I don't know if they changed the D-pad, but the D-pad's really clicky. It actually kind of feels pretty cheap now because it's super clicky. Kind of feels nice just clicking all these. Here's the nice crystal A, B, X, and Y buttons. Clear body with the blue letters on the inside. The left and right bumpers, it has the same clickiness as the D-pad, but I don't know, it kind of feels nice. It's funny. This clickiness kind of makes it feel cheap, but it just feels so nice clicking these. Same with the joystick clicks. Oh, by the way, this is a very nice dark blue joystick, I have to say. It matches all the other dark blue buttons in the center here. Well, on the left and right triggers obviously feel super nice. One of the best things Xbox got correct on the controller, I have to say, are these triggers. I love the way these triggers feel. They're just smooth, quiet, and battery port. Just like all the other controllers. Just plain blue on the inside, plain blue on the back. Yeah, there we go. So here's your nice close-up look of the metallic blue. So let's see what else comes in the box. So we have the two AA batteries that comes with the controller. Then we have a little controller booklet, a guide filled with all the different languages, a Spanish copy of connecting to Windows 10, Xbox Game Pass 14-day trial code. Okay, so this is basically just a safety guide talking about the batteries and warranty, all of the boring stuff. Oh, and then this is a quick start guide. Put the batteries in, turn on your console, hit the sync button, and then it will connect once the light flashes. You can download the accessories app to customize it. Very simple. Okay, so the next thing to do would be to plug this in to my Xbox Series X and test out this bad boy and all of its functionality. a good thing the new controllers still are backwards compatible with the Xbox One X. Okay, so I apparently need to update the console, but I'm going to connect the controller anyways to skip it. So holding the synchronize button on the top, we get the nice flashing Xbox logo. Then we hold the synchronize button on the console, and there we go. And you can see here it's already working. So I'm going to skip and stay offline for now. Oh, your controller needs an update. Okay, let's update the controller. Let's see what happens here. This is pretty interesting. I haven't done this before. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes, but now it says the controller is updated and you can close the program then. So we're gonna test this controller with the nice Crackdown 3. The logo is kind of matching the blue of the controller. It's pretty cool. So the controller works just as intended. Just like every other Xbox controller. Except this one's a nice Aqua mermaid scale blue. I mean, how can you not love this game? You get to run around as Terry Crews, using your massive guns to punch civilians out. And then if you want, you can use your other guns to shoot them too. And then you can jump around and parkour around this whole city. I mean, this game is just wicked, man. Well, I only spent 20 bucks on it, so if you spend more than 20 bucks, I can kind of understand why you might not like this game. Well, that's the quick unboxing for this Xbox Aqua Shift Blue controller. It looks very nice in person. Thanks for ruining my outro. If you like shiny and you like blue, then for sure you will like this controller. And when it comes to operation, it obviously works just like every other controller, but you get to play with a great, luxurious beauty. Thanks for watching.